we are going to make a ginger mojito. Very, very simple. I've got plenty of mojito videos on my channel, so I'm just going to quickly whip through this one just for you. I've got my beautiful glass that you can get from Drink Stuff. This is an amazing glass. I'm going to use this, about 14-ounce glass. Very, very simple, very quick and easy, this one. I've got my lime wedges already pre-cut. I'm going to squeeze them in there. I've got about 6 lime wedges. Okay, so it's about a lime. I might actually just use 5. There we go, 5 lime wedges, that easy. Now, because this is a slightly sweeter rum, okay, it's less alcoholic, slightly sweeter, the sugar, we obviously don't need as much sugar, so I'm purely going 10 mil of sugar. If you haven't watched any of my videos for a while, this is my Mezclar Precisio Measure. Absolutely love this beast. Let's hold that down to close up. It's got lined increments both sides, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can be super accurate with that. And we were having banter on a Facebook group as well. You can be super accurate with that, and you can be quicker as long as you don't spill it. And I'm the world's messiest bartender, so I don't really care about that. But as I said, 10 mil going in there. All right, 10 mil of just sugar syrup. The third ingredient you want now is your rum, and we're going at 50 mil, a double bubble of your rum in there. Okay, 50 mil. So you've got effectively the juice of 3/4 of a lime. I've used 5 lime wedges because mine are really, really juicy. I've got 10 mil of sugar syrup. I've got 50 mil of my Bacardi ginger. I want 10 to 12 decent mint leaves now as well. So I'm just going to quickly strip these. It's really hot in here today. My mint is wilting. There we go. Let's just throw them down there. Get rid of that bit. Another couple of mint leaves. Boom, there we go. Right, 10 to 12 mint leaves. Palm your hand, give them a spank. Spank the mints, pop them in there. And then just your soda water or sparkling water, whatever you prefer. Is no right or wrong personally for me. I use sparkling water. There we go. Half fill your glass. No more than that. You don't want any more than that. Just going to take a few chunky cubes of ice. There we go, about 3 or 4 chunky cubes of ice. We're then going to take our long bar spoon and we're just going to very gently bring the limes and the mint to the top, stirring that through. There we go. See, told you, world's messiest bartender. It's all going everywhere. Oh, that's lovely. And then I'm just going to top up with some crushed ice. There we go. Nice bit of crushed ice, and there should be a nice sprig of mint. Look at that, look, that could be the garnish. There we go. How do you like that? That is drink number 1. That is my Bacardi Ginger Mojito. Now, I'm trying to get away with from using straws in my cocktails and in these videos, but you know what? With some cocktails, you have to use straws. So there we go. That's a straw. This is a biodegradable straws, though. Straws are coming on leaps and bounds now. Check out drinkstuff.com. They've got some amazing sort of don't know what they called them. Recyclable straws. They're not plastic or anything like that. They're not biodegradable. Something new, compostable, something like that. Anyway, but yeah, so that's my ginger mojito. Oh, that is beautiful. That is absolutely lovely. The ginger, ginger and mint, that really works well.